Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today we delve into the much anticipated return of an automotive icon of the 2025 Toyota MR2. This revival has car enthusiasts buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. Let's explore what makes this new iteration a worthy successor to its legendary predecessors. A glimpse into the past. To appreciate the 2025 MR2, it's essential to understand its lineage. The original MR2, introduced in 1984, was a groundbreaking mid-engine sports car that offered exceptional handling and performance at an affordable price. Over 3 generations, it garnered a dedicated fan base before its discontinuation in 2007. Now, after nearly 2 decades, Toyota is poised to reintroduce this beloved model, blending nostalgia with modern advancements. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 MR2 boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design that captivates from every angle. Its slow-slung profile, chiseled lines, and aggressive stance perfectly embody the spirit of a true sports car. The front fascia features sharp LED headlights and a sculpted hood, while the rear showcases a distinctive spoiler and dual exhaust outlets, emphasizing its performance-oriented nature. The design pays homage to its predecessors while incorporating contemporary elements that appeal to modern sensibilities. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 MR2 is expected to house a turbocharged 1.0-liter inline-3 engine, sourced from Suzuki. In its standard form, this engine produces 109 horsepower and 125 pounds-to-feet of torque. However, for the MR2, rumors suggest an enhancement to approximately 150 horsepower, providing a spirited driving experience. This power plant is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, catering to both purists and those seeking convenience. Driving dynamics. The mid-engine layout, a hallmark of the MR2 lineage, offers exceptional balance and handling. This configuration places the engine just behind the driver and passenger seats, contributing to a low center of gravity and optimal weight distribution. The result is agile cornering and a connected driving experience that enthusiasts crave. The suspension system has been finely tuned to provide a perfect balance between comfort and performance, ensuring that the MR2 remains composed on both twisty backroads and daily commutes. Interior and comfort. Inside, the MR2 is distinguished by its driver-focused interior, which includes sports seats for superior lateral grip and comfort on extended trips. The upholstery, which comes in a variety of hues and materials, highlights its athletic appeal, with optional leather coverings. The cabin is designed to keep the driver engaged, with intuitive controls and a layout that emphasizes functionality. Despite its sporty nature, the MR2 doesn't compromise on comfort, making it suitable for both spirited drives and longer journeys. Technology and features. The 2025 MR2 comes equipped with a suite of modern technologies to enhance the driving experience. A touchscreen infotainment system with advanced connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensures seamless integration of smartphones. Safety features such as automatic high beam assist, a 360-degree camera system, and advanced driver assistance systems provide added peace of mind. Additionally, options like wireless smartphone charging and a premium audio system cater to tech-savvy drivers seeking convenience and entertainment on the go. Pricing and availability. While Toyota has not officially confirmed the exact release date, expectations are set for late 2025. As for pricing, the MR2 is shaping up to be an attractive and affordable mid-engine sports car, with a targeted starting price of $45,000 to $55,000 in the US market. This positioning makes it a compelling option for enthusiasts seeking performance without breaking the bank. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota MR2 represents a harmonious blend of nostalgia and innovation. It stays true to the core principles that made the original a legend: a lightweight design, mid-engine balance, and accessible performance here while incorporating modern advancements in technology and safety. As we await its official release, the anticipation continues to build for what promises to be a thrilling addition to Toyota's sports car lineup. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the upcoming 2025 Toyota MR2. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews as we get closer to its release. The backside of the 2025 Toyota MR2 is a perfect blend of aggressive styling and aerodynamic efficiency, staying true to the sports car's legendary heritage while incorporating modern design elements. The rear end features a low, wide stance, emphasizing the MR2's mid-engine layout and performance-oriented nature. At the center of attention are the sleek LED taillights that span across the rear, giving the car a futuristic and dynamic appearance. These lights are seamlessly integrated into the sculpted rear fascia, which has been designed to enhance aerodynamics while maintaining an aggressive aesthetic. A subtle rear spoiler, either fixed or retractable depending on the trim level, adds both style and functionality by improving downforce and stability at high speeds. Lower down, the rear bumper is designed with sharp lines and integrated air vents that contribute to cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. The MR2's signature dual exhaust outlets, finished in chrome or black, sit symmetrically on either side, producing an aggressive yet refined exhaust note. These details highlight the car's performance capabilities while giving it a bold and race-inspired look. A rear diffuser is another standout element, further enhancing aerodynamics and giving the car a track-ready presence. The centrally positioned Toyota badge, along with a subtle MR2 emblem, completes the look, reinforcing the car's legacy. Overall, the backside of the 2025 Toyota MR2 perfectly balances nostalgia and modernity, capturing the essence of a true lightweight sports car while integrating contemporary design trends. It's a design that not only turns heads but also serves a purpose, enhancing performance, stability, and road presence. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.